Hey there, beautiful souls. It's Grace, back again with another Soulful Summit. I hope you're all doing well and ready to dive deep into today's topic. We're going to be talking about something that affects us all at some point in our lives: trust issues. Trust is like a delicate glass vase. It's beautiful, it's precious, and it adds value to our lives. But once it's broken, it's incredibly hard to put back together. And sometimes, even when we manage to glue the pieces back, the cracks remain, a constant reminder of the damage that was done. Trust issues can stem from a variety of experiences: betrayal, disappointment, or even trauma. They can affect our relationships, our self-esteem, and our ability to connect with others. But here's the thing, my friends. Trust issues, like any other emotional challenge, are not a life sentence. They are not a part of your identity. They are a hurdle, a challenge that you can overcome. And the first step towards overcoming them is acknowledging their existence. It's okay to admit that you have trust issues. It's okay to say, "I've been hurt before, and it's hard for me to trust again." Once you've acknowledged your trust issues, the next step is understanding where they come from. This might require some introspection, some soul searching. It might even require professional help, and that's okay too. Understanding the root of your trust issues can help you address them effectively. And then comes the hardest part: learning to trust again. This is not something that happens overnight. It's a journey, a process. It requires patience, understanding, and a lot of self-love. It might involve setting boundaries, communicating your fears, and taking things slow. But remember, every step you take towards rebuilding your trust is a step towards healing. Now, I know this is a heavy topic, but it's an important one, and I believe in you. I believe in your strength, your resilience, and your ability to overcome your trust issues. You are not alone in this journey. We are all in this together, navigating the complexities of life and learning to trust again. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Soulful Summit for more deep dives into life's challenges. Your support means the world to me. And remember, beautiful souls, trust is not about never getting hurt. It's about finding the courage to love, to connect, and to live fully, despite the risks. It's about believing in the goodness of others, even when we've seen the worst. So keep going, keep growing, and keep trusting. You've got this. Until next time, stay soulful.